internet! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video for you. As you can tell, it feels like a knit winter sort of theme, which I'm really excited for because for like the first time, could it be in my life? I'm not really sure. I've flown out on Christmas Day twice to go to the Northern Hemisphere, so I don't really feel like that counts, but this is going to be my first year where I will be spending Christmas in like a winter wonderland because I'm going to be in Japan. So I'm really excited. So I feel like I can actually kind of relate to this now. For me, Christmas has always been about summer and being at the beach, which I know is weird for a lot of people, but that's my normal. That's what I grew up in. So let's get right into the unboxing. Let me just take everything out, and I love how the box is pretty intact. Like, you guys know if you've been watching my unboxing videos, that's no easy feat. So first we have stickers. This is the standard stickers that you get with every single kit. You've got your check boxes, some labels, some clip art full boxes, and these do fit in your Erin Condren planner in case you're curious. I think I'm unboxing this the wrong way around because this is the card. Okay, so this is the November box. Man, so I'm not going to be able to see the December box till next year when I come back. I'm really curious to know what that's going to be like. So we have In Very Good Company. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. I love animal puns. They're like my favorite. So we have a pencil case here, which I'm going to leave till last because I know that the washi tapes are in there. We have a notebook, Cozy Time. Let me open the notebook. Okay, so this notebook is a blank notebook. And then, oh, okay. I thought this was like one thing, but it's a charm and there's stickers. So let me open the charm. This is so cute. Oh, and it like matches the stickers and everything. I love how her kits are so matchy-matchy. They're my favorite. So this is a keychain. I love it. Oh my gosh. I wish this was silver because silver is really more my metal color. Rose gold is really Violet's color. But I don't know if she would like this or not. And also, I kind of like it, even though I'm not rose gold inclined. I actually really like this. So cute. Oh, I don't know if I can give this up. I actually really love it. It's beautiful. Then we have some stickers, which I'm pretty sure are all foiled and themed as well. I think they're stickers. Yes, they're like thick stickers. So you've got like, let's move this aside so you guys can have a better look. But all sorts of like little winter animals. Beautiful. And then we have a post-it note here. Now I cannot remember which video it was in, but someone asked me if I could write on post-it notes just to see how well it takes to ink. So I'm going to write on this one. I have no idea if that was the request. I've completely forgotten. I'm very sorry. So I'm going to use this pen here. It is the Juice Up pen from Pilot. And it is in the 0.3. It's basically a very thin gel pen. And I will write Simply Gilded. I mean, it writes really well. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, really nicely, very smooth. I could definitely see this post-it note being handy. I never actually test the stickiness of the post-it notes. They definitely... I don't know why I never tested this. These post-it notes are not super sticky in comparison to, say, the actual brand Post-it. Those post-it notes like actually are going to stick. I think these are more for in your planners, to stick them in your planners where you can close it so it kind of stops it from falling out. If you're planning to use these, so I mostly use post-it notes at work because I do a lot of Agile, which is a IT, it's a delivery methodology. But basically, if you work in IT, you will have heard of it and you would have known that IT are obsessed with post-it notes to track progress, all that sort of stuff, cards. So these would not work for that. These would definitely fall off after a while from the walls. Definitely meant more for planners, which is fine. This makes total sense. And I don't know why you would want to use these beautiful post-it notes for Agile anyways, because it's too beautiful for that. All right, yes, now we're onto the washi tape. Let's open this up. There's like 5 in here. 5? Yes. And I really love this lined pencil case. I mean, pencil case, and oh no, you could put pens in here. All right, I was gonna say, I think it's too short, but it's not. You could literally fill it up. Love it. I love these pouches that she's providing with all her kits because it's so practical and I've been using them for all sorts of different things. So I'm going to quickly unwrap these and I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished unwrapping the washi tape, but I realized I forgot to include this little guy. He must have slipped off to the side and I didn't notice him until I was undoing all the wrapping for the washi tape. So I think this is like a little ornament that you would hang in your tree potentially, or anywhere really, but it's delicate enough that I wouldn't hang it off, say, a backpack, because I feel like this ribbon would just wear out. So it's probably somewhere I'd hang it at home where I know it's not going to get a lot of abuse. Trust me, anything around my backpack will be heavily abused. So I love it. It's like this little squishy bear. Oh, it's so cute. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it, but I will find a home for it at some point because it's just too precious. Great. Okay, so this is the washi tape. I love it. This one is probably my favorite, followed closely by this one. I love blue, but blue with the rose gold, like the navy blue, the rose gold, I don't know. It's not my favorite combination. It's still beautiful. So we've got this one and we've got a smaller version. Then these two are kind of like crocheted, cross stitch, knitted sweater inspired sort of washi tape, which I love because I don't think I have any of that. We've got this beautiful gray one and then this black with hearts on it. And this one is just so cute. It's like a rabbit. It's a white bunny rabbit with rose gold bows on it. And it's so pink and gorgeous and I love it. So yeah, that is everything in the Simply Gilded November box. I love this box. I love how everything coordinated color-wise. Not my favorite kit, but you know how like it may not be your favorite color, but because everything coordinates so nicely, you still can't help but love it. That's pretty much me with virtually every Simply Gilded box. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.